Oui, très bien.
Bon, ben on y va maintenant parce que c'est que le début.
Ben, on y va.
On behalf of the international community at Rouen Business
Im Namen der internationalen Studierenden der Rouen Business School erkläre ich die Zeremonie zur Verleihung der Diplome für offiziell eröffnet.
En nombre de la comunidad internacional, declaro oficialmente abierta la ceremonia de graduación de Rouen Business School.
От имени международного сообщества я официально объявляю церемонию вручения дипломов открытой.
باسم اللجنة الدولية إني أعلن رسمياً انطلاق حفل تخرج طلبة روان بزنس سكول.
作为努昂商学院国际代表，我宣布毕业典礼正式开始。
Merci. Je déclare la remise des diplômes des programmes postgraduate ouverte et je remercie beaucoup tous ces étudiants internationaux. En tant que directeur des programmes postgraduate, c'est un honneur d'être ici en face de vous, d'être peut-être le premier à vous féliciter pour votre diplôme, à la fois pour les MBA, les masters spécialisés et les Masters of Science. Ladies and gentlemen, as director of postgraduate program, it's my honor to be here in front of you and to celebrate maybe for the first time your diploma, your degree. Votre diplôme est le résultat d'un travail important, riche, concret, qui va vous marquer tout au long de votre vie. On vous a parlé de la famille Rouen Business School. Maintenant, vous en faites partie, vous le méritez. Et on est tous là pour le fêter ce soir. Vous le savez, au postgraduate, on passe facilement de l'anglais au français. Donc, on continue. This day is a joyful conclusion of 1 year of challenging and hard-working time. You have reached a high standard education degree, so well done. As alumni, it's also the beginning of a long life relationship as Rouen and RBS ambassador. I hope that all of you will value now your different exposure to the French way of life. I don't know what you have in mind when you came before from abroad. Maybe France was just wine, cheese, and baguette. I hope now you value a bit more than this. I also want to give a special thanks to all the international students who came today, because sometimes you went back to your country, but you're here again for this ceremony. And also I would like to thank the family who came from very far away. I met some people from India who just came from Mumbai like a couple of days ago. I've seen some people from Brazil who just come from Rio. I met some people from China, Shanghai, I think. Also, all family from Italy. So I'm sure I'm missing some countries, but thank you for coming for such a long way for this graduation ceremony. Finally, I'm going to ask the MBA participant to come on stage to get their degree. MBAs.
Giemana Diaz.
Nadejda Dominguez.
Congratulations.
Thomas Neumann.
Congratulations.
Genia
Bravo.
Ke.
Alexandre Ramos.
Congratulations. Bravo.
Sébastien Ramke.
Congratulations.
Yang Shen.
Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Congratulations. Bravo. Well done. Thank you. We had many important events during the MBA. We had some seminar we did in China, but we had also some social event inside of the MBA because 2 of our students here had a baby during the MBA. So we've got 2 baby MBAs. Now I'm going to ask Sébastien Ramke and Xian Chen, who had the best prize for their thesis, to do a little speech, and after we'll do the photo.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a real honor for me to attend this ceremony and get this prize. I would like to thank my supervisor, Mrs. Wu Jian, and all teachers at the Huang Business School. Thanks for your guidance and the trust you put in me. I can remember the first time I did the presentation with my classmate at Huang Business School. At that time, I was a shy boy. I was so scared to speak in front of a class. However, you helped me, encouraged me, and granted me a lifetime gift, the self-confidence. That's the most important thing I got from Huang Business School. It will totally change my life. Thank you.
Thank you. Donc on avait 2 prix ex aequo et Sébastien aussi va nous faire un petit speech.
Okay, merci. Alors, my present speaker, he did only 1 minute. I took it, so I guess I have 3 minutes. New challenge, but okay, we'll go on. So when I think back, almost 2 years now, when I chose the program here in Rouen Business School, and I was looking for something new, some changes, I would say. And so I guess this was the most important change I could do in my life, to choose something which is completely different from everything else what I did before. Because here, Rouen Business School gave me the chance to experience something, to discover something completely different from everything what I had before, new people from all around the world, and that's the most important thing. We have to go on changing, because otherwise we will never discover anything. And I guess with the help of the teachers, we discovered new matters, new subjects, but also with all of my classmates, and I guess it's the same for you, for all the graduates, we discovered new people. And that's, I guess, the most important thing in life. And that's, I think, the reason why we have to go on changing and to discovering. And I hope with this experience here in Rouen Business School, we now have the spirit of change and the spirit of discovery. Thank you.
Maintenant, on va faire une petite photo. Et après, c'est compliqué. maintenant, je vais demander aux étudiants du Master of Science French Marketing French Excellence to come along. And I'm going to call Yuan Ormiston and Mourad Touzani, who are the two heads of the program, to join me here on stage. Few words?
Yes, do we have a microphone?
Yes.
So I'm going to start. First of all, again, thank you particularly to the parents who've come, in many cases, from the far corners of the world to be with us. It makes us proud, it makes us happy. This school exists, flourishes, prospers because of your support and because of the hard work of your children. It's the last time anybody will ever call you children, perhaps, in your life. Just in case you are wondering, this is a very strange named program. It's called Marketing French Excellence, and it started out from a kind of crazy idea that sometimes you need people from other countries, from other places, from far away, to remind you just how good you are. And in this case, you probably realize I'm not French. I've been living in France a long time. And the crazy idea started out from saying, well, hey, if you're a foreigner, as many of the people in this room are, if you look at France, what does France do well? And somebody mentioned baguette and cheese, and maybe a bit of wine. But in fact, when you start to go a bit deeper, you realize that France excels in so many things, in the luxury market, in the culture market, in services, in something that we like to call high-tech, B2B high-tech, which is Airbus, and it's the fast trains with the TGV, etc., etc. So the idea of this program is that the students who have done this program, and here they are waiting for their degrees, have come to France. A few of them are French, but most of them are not. And they've come here to learn how to do marketing the French way, to learn how to apply marketing skills based on the performance and the excellence of so many wonderful French companies and brands. I'm going to hand over to my friend and colleague Mourad, who's going to say a couple of words as well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Just a few words to tell you that I was very, very happy. I'm very happy to see you today. You are transfigured. I want to congratulate you for all the efforts you did during your training in Rouen Business School. I've seen you working in the classrooms, in the Intelligence Learning Center, working, acquiring some skills in business and marketing. And I'm sure that now you are going to be able to bring something to the business world. I'm sure of that. So congratulations to you, students. Congratulations to the families, friends, parents here. And congratulations to all the people that contributed to your success today. Thank you very much. And make the world a better place. Thank you.
I'm now going to ask the students to come along and get their degree, the dessert.
Jinkao.
Sukrit Dandania.
Anaïs Guillot.
Jingji.
Tao Chiang.
Angelina Kalinina.
Maya Vadimovna Kogan.
Ekaterina Kok.
Lili Li.
Yelan Li.
Mariana Diffie.
Laura Para.
Mamadou Soumoudou.
Ting Ting Tang.
Kelly Wang.
Yuelu Wang.
Boying Su.
Jiashu Chang.
Lucie Jean-Maître.
Yingdong Zhang.
Well done. I'm so proud of you. I can see stars rising in your eyes. That'd be good for the school as well. I would like to call Ekaterina, who is a major, the best student of the group, to say a few words about her year in Rouen Business School.
Thank you very much. That's a great day, and I would like to thank the professors and the head of our school for the amazing year we had. And I would like to congratulate all my classmates. That had been a great year. And all the knowledge we gained, all the experience we gained, all the acquaintance we made and the network we made during this year will stay in our lives ahead and will help us, of course, in our career. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Photo. Your photo. Et maintenant, je vais demander aux étudiants du master spécialisé finance de s'approcher du podium. Et je vais demander à Marie-Florence Lamy, responsable du programme, de venir me rejoindre.
Allô ? Voilà. Écoutez, je suis extrêmement heureuse de vous recevoir cette promotion du Master 2013. Je suis très heureuse de vous remettre des diplômes. Vous êtes tous des masters, ce qui est quand même formidable. Et je vous félicite non seulement pour votre réussite, mais surtout pour l'ambiance que vous avez mise dans le programme et pour votre amitié et pour avoir su faire un groupe extrêmement agréable entre vous. Voilà. Je suis très heureuse et j'espère que vous réussirez votre vie professionnelle comme vous avez réussi ces 6 mois passés à Rouen. Voilà, toutes mes félicitations. Je souhaite en particulier féliciter Didier Baudry, qui a eu la gentillesse de venir faire ce master et je lui souhaite tout le bonheur qu'il mérite.
Félicitations à tous et bon courage pour la suite.
Elena Asimakopoulou.
Tatiana Azogangmu Kongde.
Didier Baudry.
Kenza Berada.
Julien Bourg.
Shama Shakir.
Stephen Cohen de Lara.
San Tsui.
Arsène Mahognon d'Ansou.
Willy Livan Diefe Ndimbe.
Maël Camden.
Mariam Nayamba Kanate.
Nicolas Lebon.
Brice Mariel.
Florent Quinty.
Mehdi Skali Husseini.
Shaina Stabet.
Tristan Wanglin.
Badreddine El Aoudi.
Donc avant la fameuse photo du master, je vais demander à Brice de bien vouloir nous dire quelques petits mots sur son année à Rouen.
Merci beaucoup. Déjà, merci pour le prix de la meilleure thèse, puisque je crois que c'est pour ça que j'ai la possibilité de parler. Je voulais vous dire quelques mots sur le programme, parce que c'est vraiment un programme qui est vraiment de très très bonne qualité. Je pense que mes camarades de promo seront d'accord avec moi pour dire qu'aujourd'hui on est vraiment mieux armés pour affronter le monde professionnel qu'on ne l'était avant de faire ce programme. Donc tout ça pour dire merci à toutes les personnes qui justement rendent ce programme aussi bon. Et je ne pourrais pas parler du programme MFI sans dire merci à Marie-Florence Lamy, sa directrice. Encore une fois, je pense au nom de tous mes camarades. Merci pour votre disponibilité et surtout pour votre implication dans ce master. Je pense qu'on vous en est tous très très reconnaissants. Alors maintenant, je viens de mentionner mes camarades de promo, donc je suis obligé de dire un petit mot sur eux. Il y a vraiment eu cette année une super bonne ambiance et surtout un très très bon niveau. J'ai vraiment été impressionné par le niveau de la promo. Et je pense que pour justement cette ambiance, je suis obligé de faire référence à 3 d'entre eux en particulier. Donc je vais les nommer, même s'ils sont reconnus. Il y a Nicolas Lebon, Julien Bourg et Florent Quinty. Ils pourraient venir ici. Allez, venez. Venez. Donc voilà, je leur dis vraiment merci et je vous souhaite une bonne continuation et une bonne fin de cérémonie.
Je vais demander aux étudiants du Master of Science Global Management de venir près du podium. Et je demande à Marina Bastounis de me rejoindre, la responsable du programme MSc Global Management.
Thank you. It's my turn to congratulate the students in the Master of Science Global Management for this graduation. It has been an amazing year, and I wish to do it Oscar style. I'll start thanking all the people who made that year possible. First of all, your parents, who have given us the privilege of sharing in this amazing film, which is your life. I wish to thank the director of the film, Pascal Krupka, who has put his trust in my work. I would like to thank Florence Lallemand, who is the rock behind the Master of Science programs. Where are you, Florence? Thank you. I would like to thank the team of the Postgraduate Studies Department, who have been absolutely wonderful in working together, and in particular Julian Bowers, who is going to be looking after this program while I'm going to be getting better for me. The Master of Science Global Management is, in many ways, the epitome of what the school stands for. It prepares masters of managing across the world and managing across the services, the industry fields. And I have no doubt in the professional success of this class. They have already gone through the roof academically. They have the best results yet. Their internships were very prestigious. And they, I am sure, are taking with them all of our hopes and aspirations into becoming excellent in what they choose to do. As it is my last opportunity to give you a bit of the wisdom, Marina style, allow me to be a little bit more personal. I thought about this very much. What is it that I want to say to you before I let you go out into the world? And this is it. Build your lives on things that you love, and love the things that your life is built on. Now, don't get me wrong. I know that you know all about the loving. I know that you have been very active in the loving. This year we've had people getting engaged, Maud. We've had people loving so much that they made babies during the year, Stefan. We've had love meeting from Morocco to China. We've had love meeting from France to Netherlands, Colombia to France. We've had Nathan and Chloe, who are still in love, having spent 1 year in the same program. There's a lot of loving going on. But one last thing from the experts. Love is a lot of work. It is a lot of hard work. It's exhausting. But on that day when life decides to bring you down, which it will, because you will get disappointed and frustrated. We've talked about this before. Life will hurt a lot, and life will be scary. But on that day, that love will be your shield. And it's a risky business because you invest a lot. But when it does bring you through, it will be worth it. Now, class 2012 of Master of Science Global Management, you and I, we have taken that risk. And we've invested in love. And we have been rewarded very generously. So, the music can start.
Franck Beckers.
Hicham Beichash.
Nathan Bréchon.
Elena Chou.
Bravo, félicitations.
Camille Cordier.
Stanislas de Tenne.
Manon Detragiache.
Shukun Dong.
Noura El Abdali.
Hélène Godefroy.
Stéphane R.
Lin Jiang.
Kavin Kandasamy.
Mengranke.
Timothée Lamarche.
Maud Le Soudir.
Cléry Loisidou.
Naïla Magazanova.
Nguyen Mang.
Lorenz.
Mounia Ouamou.
Stefano Patacca.
Niraj Patadia.
Rafael Alfonso Ramirez Gonzalez.
Fabio Regis.
Daniela Rodriguez.
Daniel Andrés Ruiz.
Ahmed Saad.
Payal Sharma.
Chloé Siri.
Anoop Oujagare.
Nanchinier.
Xiaoxi Zhang.
Zenping Zhang.
Xintong Wang.
Thomas Fiel.
Don't stop. Rock on, baby, brother to the boogity bang bang, the boogie to the boogity beat. What you hear is not a test. I'm a rapper to the beat. It's just me, and it's
Now I'm going to ask the best thesis, which are Frank and Fabio, to come next to me and to say a few words.
So Frank, tell us the truth. This head's killing you, huh? 3 hours lost in the hairdresser.
Thanks, Fabio, for this great start. I have to say, Marina told us 2 days ago by text message that we're going to do this speech. So I try to lower the expectations. And about the hair thing, I'm sure everybody saw that Fabio has emergency hairspray in his pocket.
Busted.
Yeah, busted. Go on, Fabio.
Well, I would try not to make it look like I'm winning an Oscar here. But I would like to say thanks to the school for the recognition of this work. It means a lot to me, and it's an honor to be here with my good friend Frank, representing this class full of bright people. And thanks to people that always supported me, Priscilla, my parents, my brother, all my family, all my friends, and our great director, Marina Bastunis.
Up to you. Thanks, Fabio. I will keep it short as well. I'm very honored to be the representative of this amazing class. We started in October 2011, a bunch of 50 people taken from all over the world. And we really got to know each other. We experienced great things. We went to Brussels, to London. We had trips with classmates, just arranged by ourselves. And yeah, it was a great experience. We studied a lot, we laughed, we cried, we partied sometimes. Apart from Tim and Stan, they never did. So, and all that rest is, I speak for all, I think, when I have to say, first of all, Marina, thanks a lot for all your support. Like, you gave everybody the personal attention which he or she needed, and I think that's really respected, and it was very great. And apart from that, I wish everybody the best for the future. You always have a place to stay, not all together, but you're always welcome at my place. And let's have a good party tonight. I heard Fabio is gonna give free shots, so it should be okay. Thank you.
Honor me.
Thank you very much. And now I would like you to applaud our band. It's a Carly Barker. on way, I'm going to ask them to play something and make all this wall to have some vibration. Okay? Let's go.
You got it. We're gonna vibrate you, all right?
You're gonna want, but you gotta come home with me. I forgot some good old loving and I got some more in store. When it gets to throwing it all, you gotta come running back for more. Boys come around and time by the dozen. That ain't nothing but tissy loving. Hey, little thing, let me light your candle, cause mama, I'm sure hard to handle now you're surrounded. I said action speak louder than words, and I'm a man with a great experience. I know you got you another man, but I can love you better than him. Come on, child, don't be afraid. I'm gonna prove every word I say. I'm advertising love for free, so won't you hang your sign with me? Boys come around and time by the dozen. That ain't nothing but truck on loving. Hey, little thing, let me light your candle, cause mama, I'm sure hard to handle now you're surrounded. Cause mama, I'm sure that now you're surrounded. Give me some saxophone. To have it. Show me your love, it's all I need. Later in the evening, mama, I just might get hungry for your love. Later in the evening or the afternoon, get up and move. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup, Carly Barker. I'm going to ask the Master of Science International Project Development to come along, and Sandrine Henron, who's the head of the program, to join me.
Merci, Pascal. I would like to say just that I'm very pleased to see you, all of you today. I know you come from very far away, from some of you. I know that there are other students who couldn't join us, and I would like to say hello to them, because I'm sure they look at us on the web. Some of them are in Saudi Arabia, in Turkey, in China, in France. I'm very pleased also to see you, because you are the first IPD students with this name. So congratulations for that. You are the first ones. And I hope you will bring this name everywhere when you go back to your country, and in other countries when you find a job, everywhere in Europe, in Asia, in America. And just keep the same passion that you showed through all your long in Rouen, and embrace your future career with this passion. Congratulations.
Ariane Autier.
Noémie Baudry.
Tariq Bendif.
Maximilien Boulot.
Neil Caillot.
Wenyan Chiang.
Thibaut de Martin-Pré.
Jennifer Diaz.
Quentin Fichet.
Anne-Cécile Fouchard.
Ryan French.
Clément Lacour.
Anne-Sophie Lamarque.
Anne-Sophie Lepelletier-Donnet.
Alexis Sieur.
Yvonne Tata Betchem.
Ding Chu.
Xian Yi.
Cécile Saint-Léger.
Anne Ressac.
Yi Chong-yang.
Congratulations, all of you. And I'm going to ask Wen Yen to come along and say a few words as you have the best professional thesis, or equal with somebody else, apparently.
Hello, I'm Yen. I'm from Taiwan. I will make very short speak. Thank you. Firstly, I would like to thank Huang Business School to provide this comfortable surrounding learning experiments. And I would like to thank our director, Sandrine, Owed Sampa, and Gentil. And I would like to also thank our magnifique classmates. You are irreplaceable with our lovely little tree over there. I hope you are still growing. And our trip in Poland is great, it's terrific. And finally, I want to thank about our class representative, Noémie Boudry and Alexis Sieur. Please come here. Noémie, please, come on. Don't let me be awkward, come on. Thank you so much for all the years hard work.
Okay, you're welcome. So I also want to thank everybody, the whole class, Sandrine, Pascal, and the head of our school, who is not here today because he was retired last year, but I want to thank Arnaud Langlois-Meurine a lot. And I also want to thank especially all the person in the class, our professors and our classmates that were great. We worked a lot together, we partied a lot together, and it was an amazing year. So thanks to all.
Okay, I just want to say thank you to all my classmates. Come on, come all of you. Don't be shy. It's our ceremony. Come on. And also Sandrine, our principal teacher. And to our favorite classmate, I think, who is their favorite classmate? Yang Chao.
Messi. Thank you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so I don't know what's going on now. Maybe let's go to drink some champagne. Oh, picture before?
Here's a photo, yes. Thank you very much, all of you. And well done. So now I'm going to ask the Master of Science in Finance, so the very serious guys, Every time I go to a finance class, I really don't understand what's on the whiteboard. It's all formulas. I don't know what they have in their head. And I'm going to ask Mouez Benouri, who's the head of the program, to come along with me.
Thank you very much for coming. I remember the first time I met the MSF students. It was for the presentation, the first presentation of the program, and I felt that some of them were really afraid, and maybe some of them were thinking about giving up. And finally, you did it. You did it. It was. I know that you worked very hard. I know that the program was really very hard. As Pascal said, there are several things that are really very difficult maybe for some of you, but you did it. I thank you very much. I want to thank all the professors in this program because they did a great job, all the supervisors also. And finally, I want to thank Florence Lallemand because without Florence Lallemand, the program cannot work. So thanks a lot, Florence. I'm really grateful to you. Thank you very much. You are really beautiful. And remember that maybe the last thing is, if you want, with perseverance, you can. Thank you. Thank you.
Christina Angas Aboutra Youssouf.
Fatih Emre Bildirici.
Bargaf Boujabaroua.
Vinayak Chouni.
Jens Andreas Evensen.
Angelica Forero.
Édouard Fournier.
Ruben Gabino Vega.
Marcus Hieronymi.
Lou Kang.
Simen Kirkerud.
Li.
Doda Dabdawi Mansare.
Aïssatou Ami Touré.
Welu Chiao.
Neyao Xie.
So congratulations all of you, félicitations, and I'm going to ask the best thesis student, which is Bargav, to say a few words.
Hello. First of all, I would like to thank the esteemed panel of guests here. Thank you for gracing this occasion, and so thank you for precising the role that Regional Council Normandy played during our stay here. And I assure you we had a very pleasant stay. And then to all the teachers of Rouen Business School, I think without you, this institution is not possible. And to the entire management who keep things running smoothly day in and day out. And special thanks to our leader, Monsieur Pascal, for providing the right kind of backing that we needed. I think we found internships during very troubled times in Europe, so I'm extremely thankful for that. And then I would like to thank, of course, my family and my friends who are here to support me. And not to forget my classmates. I think everyone is very brilliant, and I've learned a lot from them. And just a few things which I would like to precise. I mean, before coming to the business school, I mean, there were many things in my mind. I mean, rankings and what kind of course and job prospects and the cultural diversity. And I think when I go back home today with my degree, I think I can say that I'm very satisfied and happy for all these criteria. And the two professors here today, Mr. Moyes and Sir Sami, I think you have played a special role, especially for me. And I think during our interview, you had asked me precisely, can you tell me what a bond is? And I came up with kind of a lame answer, but I told you that we will all work hard if you give the opportunity. So I hope it's not only me, all of us, we have lived up to your expectation. And Sir Sami, again, thank you for waking me up. I think my classmates know about it. And one special thing which I'm really thankful, to Rome Business School is the platform for the cultural kind of integration platform which it has provided. I mean, I would have never thought of visiting and experiencing local cultures. I mean, be it French culture or the Norwegian or the German or the Moroccan culture. I think I have very fond memories. And I honestly hope to my friends and to all my batchmates that myself and my fellow Indians have been acceptable ambassadors. And I hope you have good memories of us as we do of you. And to everyone, I think everyone is very talented and everyone has got what it takes to achieve. So just go and grab what you believe is yours. Cheers.
Thanks a lot for these very pleasant words. Je vais demander aux étudiants du master spécialisé études et décisions marketing de se mettre en place. Malheureusement, Laetitia Chichportiche, qui est la responsable de ce programme, est souffrante. Je l'ai eu au téléphone ce matin et elle n'était vraiment pas très bien. Donc elle ne pouvait pas venir, donc elle en est très désolée. Je pense que c'est la première remise de diplôme qu'elle rate. Mais elle m'a laissé quelques petits mots, donc je vais vous les dire. Donc elle parlait de vous en disant que vous étiez une classe très impliquée, solidaire dans les travaux de groupe, ce qui est important, responsable, une classe aussi très réactive, comme elle, j'imagine, puisque Laetitia aime bien que les choses se passent rapidement, et en plus très sympathique. Donc elle vous dit félicitations, et elle m'a chargé de vous remettre vos diplômes.
Aïcha Aboudrar.
Jean-Marc Barroso.
Chloé Chauvet.
Stéphanie Chavigno.
Othman Chieb.
Youssef Foudil.
Thomas Garçon.
Florent Gogy.
Marie-Julien.
Briac Lemeur.
Sophie Lejeune.
Nathalie Livantou.
Arnaud Millot.
Sarah Mouden.
Christian Nzongela.
Sarah Widani.
Julie Pérez.
Dorothée Vaillant.
Amandine Villiers.
Oh, félicitations, bonne chance. Donc je voulais demander à l'étudiant qui a la meilleure thèse de nous faire un petit discours. C'était Valentine Florin, mais apparemment elle est absente. Donc je vais demander à celui qui a été élu par plusieurs d'entre vous de nous faire un petit discours, et c'est Othman.
Merci. Ayant été... Oh là là, pas ce point. Ayant été particulièrement sensibilisé par nos professeurs sur la dimension internationale de ce master, sachez que mon frère ici présent est en train de filmer pour une retransmission à l'international. Bon, ok, c'est pour le Maroc. Bon, ok, c'est que pour mes parents. D'accord. Donc je vais vous demander, s'il vous plaît, une petite demande, c'est d'applaudir à la fin, histoire que mes parents soient fiers de moi, mais vraiment à fond. Ok, super. Avant tout, je vais demander à toute la promotion de nous rejoindre, parce que je pense que si on réussit, c'est qu'on a réussi tous ensemble, parce qu'il y avait beaucoup de travail en équipe. Donc je pense que ce discours ne pourrait pas être fait sans tous mes camarades derrière moi. Allez, bon, faites pas de bruit par contre, attention, doucement. On m'a demandé de préparer un petit discours. Je l'ai même préparé, il est même ici, mais par contre, je pense que pas besoin de le préparer si ça peut sortir du cœur. Donc du coup, je suis très honoré aujourd'hui de représenter ce master. Ce que je pourrais dire, c'est que je pense qu'on a tous appris énormément de ce master. On a appris à travailler en groupe, on a appris à travailler en équipe, à vivre des épreuves difficiles, mais tout en réussissant à les surmonter. En ce qui me concerne, j'étais à la base, je suis diplômé d'une école d'ingénieur et je voulais absolument avoir une double compétence pour pouvoir répondre aux besoins de mon projet professionnel. Pour moi, le master ESC, le master EDM de RBS était une évidence. Non, c'est déjà fait. Donc du coup, grâce à ce master, j'ai pu acquérir les compétences et les connaissances nécessaires pour intégrer l'équipe marketing de Microsoft pendant plus d'une année et aujourd'hui pouvoir être embauché dans une boîte partenaire de Gold de Microsoft. Donc je pense que... Non, c'est pas pour ça. C'est pas pour ça, c'était juste pour dire qu'aujourd'hui, je m'épanouis de jour en jour et je pense que tout ça, c'est grâce à ce master. Donc voilà. Ensuite, on m'a demandé de réfléchir sur qu'est-ce que j'avais retenu principalement de ce master. Je pense que ça m'a appris qu'il ne fallait jamais rien lâcher, qu'il fallait croire en ses rêves et se donner les moyens de les réaliser et que tout était possible. Aujourd'hui, je pense qu'on a tous les compétences nécessaires et la hargne nécessaire pour pouvoir faire de très belles choses. Donc je pense que pour tout cela, je tiens à remercier toute l'équipe pédagogique du master. Je tiens à remercier aussi bien la direction que, je pense pas, si je les cite tous, je pense que vous allez me couper le micro. Donc on va s'arrêter là. Et enfin, pour le mot de la fin, j'aimerais remercier mes grands-parents qui ont fait le déplacement du Maroc pour cet événement. Et puis le dernier mot sera pour vous, parents. Il y a de quoi être fier de votre enfant. Voilà. Merci beaucoup. Plus fort pour ma mère. Plus fort, plus fort. Merci à tous. Et puis, oui. Et puis avant de vous laisser prendre part au cocktail, je tenais aussi à souhaiter un bon rétablissement au nom de toute la promotion à Laetitia Chichportiche, et puis qui a su nous soutenir, qui a su nous accompagner, et qui a su toujours être présent lorsqu'on avait besoin. Et enfin, remercier Miss Churchill, s'il vous plaît. Please come with us. Voilà. Merci à tous. C'était le meilleur pour la fin. C'est nous. Donc voilà, au nom de toute la promotion 2012 du Master EDM, on vous remercie et on vous souhaite une excellente fin de soirée. Au revoir.
Merci, je suis sûr que Laetitia Chichportiche sera très sensible à ces petits mots et je suis sûr qu'elle nous regarde en ligne et qu'elle nous reviendra en pleine forme dans quelques jours. Maintenant, on va regarder une petite vidéo et on va demander à Connie Barker de nous faire le soundtrack de la vidéo et je vous rejoins dans quelques minutes.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Oh, not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away, I know, 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 I know. Gotta leave the young thing alone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Sunshine when she's gone, only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away, anytime she goes away, anytime. Anytime she goes away.
Ça a déjà été dit au début, mais j'aimerais insister sur le fait que nous avons d'excellents professeurs à Rouen Business School, que sans eux, une école, c'est une coquille vide. Et donc, je suis fier de travailler avec eux, fier de la connaissance qu'ils peuvent vous passer. Et j'aimerais encore insister et applaudir les professeurs de l'école. Bien sûr, ce qui est important aussi, c'est l'organisation. Et au PPG, donc tous les jours, nous avons une équipe. On a Florence, Marie-Françoise, Karine, Catherine, qui mettent de l'huile dans les rouages quand il y a des petits grains de sable. Donc je tiens aussi à les remercier vivement du bon fonctionnement du programme Postgraduate. Et d'ailleurs, cette équipe nous a fait une vidéo que je n'ai pas vue. Donc c'est avec plaisir qu'on va regarder ça ensemble.
Diplômés, chers alumni, nous vous félicitons chaleureusement
pour votre réussite à tous. Votre diplôme est le fruit de votre travail, de votre volonté et de votre détermination.
Nous sommes fiers de vous avoir vu progresser.
Nous vous souhaitons tout le bonheur du monde.
L'avenir vous appartient.
Nous vous souhaitons une brillante et enrichissante carrière professionnelle. Parcourez le monde.
Soyez les explorateurs des temps modernes.
Soyez des entrepreneurs dynamiques et enthousiastes.
Et surtout, prenez le temps de revenir de temps en temps
pour nous tenir au courant des grandes étapes dans vos parcours, vos vies.
Nous sommes tous attachés à nos diplômés.
Même si la page se tourne, vous resterez toujours nos étudiants.
So good luck, bon vent as the French say, and keep in touch.
Votre diplôme va vous aider à contribuer au monde des affaires et au monde en général. Je dirais merci d'en prendre soin et de penser éthique, développement durable et entreprise responsable. Je m'adresse aux gens de la finance, je m'adresse aux gens du marketing. Pourquoi quand on achète de la lessive, les paquets sont si gros? Pourquoi la finance des fois s'écroule? Donc pensez à toutes ces choses-là et leurs implications. So your degree is going to help you to contribute to the business world and all the world. Thanks to take care of it and to think ethics, sustainable development and corporate responsibility. Sous vos applaudissements, je voudrais accueillir ici notre directeur général, Alain Dulondel, et Marc-Antoine Jarry, qui s'est présenté tout à l'heure.
Merci Pascal. On a félicité les diplômés, les parents, les enseignants. Moi, je voudrais féliciter toutes les personnes que vous ne voyez pas, que vous avez peu vues, qui sont dans les services supports de l'école, qui ont préparé toute votre scolarité, qui ont préparé cette cérémonie, qui sont dans les coursives ou qui sont, je dirais, en train de nous regarder, parce que je sais qu'il y a beaucoup d'entre eux qui nous regardent, beaucoup de diplômés aussi qui nous regardent puisqu'on est retransmis en direct. Et je voudrais féliciter une personne qui, au nom de tout, qui représente toutes les personnes qui ont travaillé sur cette cérémonie depuis plusieurs mois, Sarah. Donc Sarah, merci de venir avec nous. Sarah, dans la lumière. C'était une très belle cérémonie. Donc félicitations à toutes les personnes qui ont travaillé sur cette cérémonie. Et là, je passe le flambeau à Marc-Antoine, puisque ce ne sont plus des étudiants directement de Rouen Business School, mais de l'association des diplômés de Rouen Business School.
So basically say good riddance and welcome to the Alumni Network. And I'm, as I said, very proud to have you around. Let me tell you two things. There's no love without proofs. And two proofs of the family and the care that we want to bring to you are what we call a career center. Whenever you will be moving places, jobs, countries, and we have a strong department and offer to help you and facilitate those career moves. So if you want to benefit from the Career Center, please leave your address, keep them updated because you will be all around the world and we need to keep in touch. Career Center. Wherever you will be, there will probably be an alumni network. We're in over 50 towns all over the world, and if there is no alumni network in your town, in your country, please create one so that we maintain the spirit of the family, and together we share our successes and we help ourselves thrive into the world. So congratulations again, bravo, and it's only the beginning. It's not the end yet for this part of the ceremony, because now we have to do the group shot of throwing your hats. So it will require a little bit of organization, and please follow me. We will do a number of things together. I will call that side of the room to stand up in a moment and come on the front. And I will also call that side of the room to stand up and come to the front, because basically we want to have you all around in the picture. So we need to frame you in the right position, and probably the photographing team will help us put you through. Then we will do 3 shots. First shot, all of you standing with the left hand on your hat. We'll take a little pose for the flash to recharge, and we'll do a second shot. The second shot will be left hand, hat in the air. And then we'll do the third, the real important shot, throwing up your hat in the air, but you'll have to wait for my countdown. So please be in sync. We want the hats to be at the same time. We don't want you to be seen live on the internet, on Facebook, on Twitter. You launching it before, or you still with your hat on your hair, that will be very problematic. We can't do it twice. We're live. So please bear with me. We'll do 3 shots. But before we do 3 shots, we're going to position you in the right space. So please come with me, stand up, and come to the front. And you can come up to here. So I'm the limit. You can stand up as well, because we want to see your face on the picture. Group. Stop. Come forward. Please do come forward. And if you don't have space up to here, you can fill the back. Behind, stand up, please. So we'll organize. Please bear with us for the time it takes, but we want the picture of your kids to be perfect. You know, it's going to remain for a lifetime, and that's the moment. If you haven't done so, please take your tassel from the right to the left. From the right, the tassel, you know, the little swinging thing. Voilà, le petit truc bizarre qui pendouille for the French speakers. From the right to the left, because now you're graduated. So now you have the right to put it on the left. Cool? Is the frame okay? Is it getting there? No? Still more packed, more centered. It's like a group shot. You need to be all together, you know, closer, like you've been for the past 18 months. Checking it. Still more compact. And there is place at the back. If you want to take space at the back, we will see you because of the way we took the picture. By the way, while we wait, if you're still in France, and if you're around Paris, the 26th of April, we have the Gala de Rouen Business School in Paris, Pavillon d'Hermenonville. So, of course, please buy your tickets. And I'll be glad to see you again at that time. So remember, 3 shots. First shot, left hand on the hat. You're grabbing your hat, you know, like that, easily, not like, you know. Make it simple. The world is complex enough already. The second shot will be with the hat in the air, not now, please wait. And then we will throw it up in the air to celebrate your success. Last round, the people in the back, if you stand up on the chairs and not fall, you will be better seen, and that will be an even better picture and an even better souvenir. So, oh, come on, please make an effort, you know. Is that okay? Well, it's great. You're amazing. So, thank you for all this effort. We'll do the first shoot. Please, for the people in the front row only, get your degree with the right hand. Front row, you know. And so that we can see it on the picture, okay? And left hand on the hat. It's like that. Yes, you look stupid, but it will feel good. Okay? So, first shot. How is it? It's good. You're amazing. The first shot was good. Second shot. Hat in the air. Like that. All of you. Not there. You know. Yeah, hairdressing a little bit. Come up quick. Is it okay? Everyone's? How's the shot? One more. So sorry, you know, don't be lazy. It's a brilliant one, congratulations. Now, the final, the key one, the important one. When I say, you know, like the countdown from 5 to 1, after 1, throw it. Okay, so listen to me, get in sync. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch! Bravo! Congratulations again. Thank you for your cooperation. And now, time for drinks and champagne.
One for the money,
if you want to go out,
get ready now. Don't get going, don't you? Step on my blue suede shoes. Doing that thing where they are on that blue suede shoes. Pull me down, step on my face, slander my name all over the place. Doing the thing that you wanna do, but mama, they offer them shoes, and don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You're doing the thing, but they are on them. You can take me down, steal my car, drink my liquor from an old blue jar. Doing the that you want to do. But mama, lay off of them shoes and don't you step on them blue suede shoes. Do anything but lay off of them blue suede shoes. Well, it's one for the money, two for the show. Three to get ready, now go, can't go, and don't you step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything.